Okay, problem. The Z-axis, as you can see, is too floppy. So what I'm going to do is, I've got a block of wood, and I'm going to put it there. And I'm hoping that by pulling it down and screwing it onto the Z-axis, it will stop the wobbling from left to right, because I'm pushing down and holding it at the same time and trying to get it to move, but it doesn't. So I'm going to fix that in place and then bring it back. The screws are on an angle, so that as I screw into the timber, it'll pull it down onto the carriage of the printer track. Also, I've mined the screws as normal, so that the Z-axis sled can move over the holes without any problems. I found out where my floppiness was mainly from. Of course, I was concentrating on the ink cartridge carrier, and it was nowhere near it. That, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, the carriage point is the fulcrum where things pivot from, and as you can see, it's fairly rigid, but we've got one more bit to do, because what I found was that I needed to put a piece of timber here riding on this bar and another piece here when I can find it. The light's nicked it. Stay there. So, right. I needed one in there. So that's where we're going to put it. And that will stop the top from pivot, moving left to right. Because front to back, it's as solid as a rock, it moves everything. Okay, so I prepared this piece of wood, which is good for me, and I'm going to do the usual glue and screw job, and I did that other one yesterday, so that's gone off nice and tight, and now this one going in. I have to be careful with the screwdriver and such, because I've got the gear for the Z-axis motor right by these holes. So what I'm doing first, I'm just bringing the screws so I can feel them, and then what I'll do, in fact what I'll do, I'll just put one at a time. Makes for a safer life, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. And it would be on ratchet, wouldn't it? Okay, right. Now I'll do the second one off camera, and then I'll bring you back and show you it's operational.